Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you this very artsy hotel in Jakarta. Let's go! From the outside, you can already tell that this place is something else. Every detail of this place screams art. The staff are very friendly and hospitable, and the welcome drink tastes really good too.
So this is the shower and the toilet, but the most important part of the hotel and what excites me the most is the room's individual designs. So all the rooms here have different designs and they have these crazy paintings and very colorful ones. I want to see what's mine.
The room that I got is so colorful and the illustration is so playful.
Oh, nice! It's a whole wall with all this painting.
My bed has 2 reading lights. It's a very nice touch with good lighting. It makes the whole room so much cozier with all those underbed lightings and the overhead lights with this table lamp. So that's a little sneak peek of my room, but I will bring you guys first to the rooftop, one of the coolest places to be in Jakarta. You will see why. The rooftop has a nice view of Jakarta. Really cool, hip, artsy, and it's just so in. Who would have thought that a hotel can have a rooftop bar this cool? Their menu has a good selection of drinks and food. There's art and creativity in the details, even in their menu. I'm trying this out with a local friend, Risky. Follow him on Instagram. They serve really good drinks and snacks. The ambiance makes it so relaxing to hang out indoor or outdoor. My room has this city view of Jakarta, a little bit of local life activity. There is a church outside and I saw some reviews online saying that they found the church bells annoying, but it wasn't an issue for me. I was so tired last night, I think I did not move while asleep. I only occupied half of the bed and the other half is untouched.
Had a good sleep last night and the bed is so comfortable. Realize they have 2 types of pillows. One is softer, one is more firm, so you have the option. Like this is softer and this is firmer.
The bathroom theme is black and white, very simple but stylish. The toilet bowl has this bidet function, almost like the ones in Japan. Remember when I said that their creativity is in the details? You can also find their wittiness in the bathroom too.
Okay, so now is the time to try this coffee machine. Where is it? Yeah, here.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Here it is, called coffee from the coffee machine.
And now it's time for breakfast. Roko is a 24-hour place, but in the morning they serve breakfast. Of course. If you know me, my breakfast is not breakfast without eggs. They have this eggs and omelette station. I chose some mushrooms and cheese to go with my omelette, which was wonderfully served by their staff. This meal made me really happy, filling and deliciously made food with lots of choices in the same quirky, artsy, stylish interior. So lovely.
This is what I like about boutique hotels. They are so unique. They have this kind of quirky kind of designs and something else that the other big hotels would not have. For instance, ARTOTEL has these art features. They have art galleries, and once in a while they change or they rotate the artists that they feature. I think that's pretty cool.
Rising up like phoenixes, been tired of pushed to the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. It makes making videos like this more meaningful. And do subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to me, it's like me taking you to the places I see, things I experience, and food I discover. I hope you guys go with me. We will have fun together, I promise. So, see you on the next go.